Hey everyone, I'm Ethan for Ethan's Woodshop Review, and I'm here with the Makita 18V miter saw. This miter saw has a lot going on, so let's get right into it. Starting from the top, here's your trigger lock, trigger, laser on and off, and spot for both your batteries. Moving down, you have your battery power indicator, blade housing, onboard Allen key, bevel lock and unlock, nice big dust port, and easy removable fence. Right here is your degree measurements. Stops automatically at 45, but if you want to go past, just pull this out and it can go all the way to 48. Solid laser visibility, smooth cut, good dust collection. Thanks for watching everyone. I'm Ethan for Ethan's Woodshop Review. Please like, comment, and subscribe to check out the other tool reviews.